does research, writes books, and contributes to various journals. And today she will lead the first session about the Sulawesi traditional dance. And yes, as I mentioned before, she just got here 2 days ago, right? Is that right? Okay. And thought a little bit about the dance, briefly, not that much because we gotta take some long time, of course. But the dance is coming from Toraja, or Sulawesi. It's one of the biggest islands. One of the biggest islands in Indonesia. Yeah. And she's really happy and she's really excited. And maybe you can try the dance after.
Yang coba kita akan peragakan bersama.
So because the actual dance is a bit long as well, so we're gonna practice two part of dances.
Yang kedua, ini adalah motif gerak yang coba kami tampilkan. Selanjutnya, jadi terlihat bahwa nanti kita akan mengambil yang utama dan yang terakhir.
So these are like some movements from the dance itself, like reflecting the issues that always can be resolved. Or the first one, like before, it's respect to the God, or like the bird flying reflects cooperation. But again, here we'll try to dance with the first and the last part of the dance. But as you can see, it's like how like the colors and then the movement itself is kind of like it's more like exciting as well.
Mungkin bisa langsung kita peragakan. Nah, yang terlihat kostum yang biasa dipakai dalam tari.
So this is the typical costume that is worn during this dance. Look how colorful it is, like how a little bit complex. And I believe some of other part of the world as well have this kind of like colorful costumes when they're having
2, 3, 4,
and then you rotate and turn up.
2, 3,
President of the Indonesian Student Association here. And it was really great experience to be in the workshop, participating as the committee as well, with Pachip, with Balla, with Kani. It's all awesome. Thanks for those who supporting this event, and see you.
Iya. Toraja. Itu klasiknya Toraja. cukup 1 jam by flight.
Iya, belum kesampaian ya.
Oke deh, silakan.
Okay. My name is Rowan. I'm really enjoyed the Indonesian cultural workshop. It was a beautiful experience learning about the dance and the music and their form of entertainment with the puppets. It was beautiful. My favorite part was learning the dance with the beautiful Lena.